so although today is October 9th, we are working on October 7th materials because we're 2 days behind because of testing. Not your fault. It's mine. So not on you. It's on me because we had to do the testing and I was out the 2 days with Xander. So the first thing that we're going to do here is solve each equation. When we're solving one-step or two-step or multi-step equations, anytime we're solving an equation, the first thing that we're always going to do is circle the variable and we're going to draw our line of equality. That's going to help us keep our work nice, neat, and organized. The goal when we're solving equations is to get the variable by itself. So Brendan, if I want to get the variable a by itself, what am I going to have to do?
Get rid of that plus 5.
And how do I do that?
-5.
Good. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides here. So now on my right side, I'm left with my variable a. I'm going to make sure I put my equal sign on my line of equality. Then 2 minus 5?
-3.
-3. And since that's my answer, I'm going to box it. Good. So circle my variable, draw my line of equality. Jemiah, how do I get the variable b by itself here? So I'm going to multiply each side by what? Perfect. So multiply both sides by -6. That will cancel. On my left side, I'll have my variable b equals. And then Jemiah, what's -6 times -6? Perfect. Nice. And I'm going to box it. Any questions on the first two?
No. How come you finish with that -2?
Because you want to get the variable by itself. If you minus the 2, then that doesn't do any good. Because that's on the other side of the line of equality. Okay. So this next problem here is -5 equals -c. Anytime I have a variable by itself, I can put a 1 in front of it to give it a number value. So I'm going to put a 1 there. Then I'm going to go ahead and circle my variable and draw my line of equality. Now, the other thing you have to remember is that anytime a number is touching a variable, it means to multiply. So the inverse operation for multiplication is going to be what here? Ayance? Division. So we're going to divide by what number to get the c by itself? So I want to get that c by itself. So what do I have to get rid of?
Oh, the 1.
What type of 1 is that?
A negative 1.
Yeah, so I'm going to divide both sides by -1. So my 1's cancel on my right. I bring my variable c down, my equal sign down, and then -5 divided by -1 is
5.
good. Because 2 negatives equal a positive. All right, let's take a look at the last one here. Devante, what do I do first? Then what? Next? Hey, do me a favor. Slide a seat over. Just move next to Jemiah. So then now what? To get the d by itself, what do I have to do? Yeah, add 1 to both sides. So that's going to cancel. On my left side, I'm going to bring down my d, my equal sign, and then -1 plus 1. 0. That's your final answer. Nice job. So go ahead and make sure you have your names on your openers and pass those back towards this middle desk here. This one is my phone. Make his station, sorry.
It's okay.